Hi, this video will discuss the Rogue Hoover 970 vacuum. I've got it out the box and I've got it charged, and it's a wireless type, like almost like wireless charging type thing. Cindy's coming over to see what it is. So hopefully it'll help get up some of her dog hairs. I don't know whether she'll scare her or what. But there's Cindy. She wants to know what this is. So we've got it out the box. I got this on eBay. It's regular. It sells for like $400 on Hoover's website, the Hoover Rogue, like $4.99. So, hey, as with anything on eBay, you're taking a chance with someone who's offloading. They have like a dozen of these, and there seem to be returns. It was all taped up. Anything taped up, huge amounts of tape. I mean, gobs of tape. You know that it's a return. There's something wrong with it or whatever, right? So I figured out what the issue was when I tried to charge it, and when you try to charge it, it wasn't doing anything. So here is the Hoover charger. It came in. I'm in my apartment now. We'll go back to my house in a bit. But this is the charger it came with. So there's something is wrong with this charger. So how is a $500 vacuum on eBay brand new in a box for lousy $100, right? Well, now we know what the issue is. So as I tried it in my little Bissell, I have all my vacuums over here to keep the house clean, because Cindy sheds a lot of fur. There's a lot of fur everywhere. You can see, she's so I need to vacuum the rug. I haven't vacuumed it in a while. There's a lot of she sheds a lot of hair. So it's charging right now. It says it needs 3 hours to charge. So eBay, I put in a claim. I didn't know whether I could get it working with PayPal. So he owes me a new charger or my money back, the guy who sold it. Now, it's the second one that I tried from them, and the seller, I can't see his name or anything because it's been more than 90 days. I had been sick, so I've been in the hospital and I hadn't opened it. So I figured, well, I'm going to be taking this over to my house now that I remodeled, and everything's like new in the house. So I got all hardwood floors there, but even then, Cindy's still going to shed a lot of hair, so maybe it can help pick up some of the hair. Yeah, I got all new hardwood floors in the house. The whole house has new hardwood floors, upstairs and downstairs. So it's charging. It's charging now. It's going to emit it says it emits a beep and a flashing light. Knows you've got it aligned properly. The unit itself is new. It doesn't look like it's ever been used because there was an issue with the charger. So I guess that was whoever had these, I guess there were returns or whatever. It seems like. You see, eBay has a lot of scams on eBay. So there's a lot of deception on the stuff sold on eBay. You know, there's an issue with it if they're offloading it for whatever reason. So $95. I got lucky. I used the Bissell. The little Bissell here has the same charging, the same type of charging little plug thing. So I just, off the top of my head, I said it looks similar. Let me see if it'll plug in. So it takes 3 hours to and there's Cindy. She's over there. She's watching TV. Rested. So we're getting ready to go to the house now, and so I'll let this charge here in the apartment, and then I'm not sure how long we'll be in the apartment. We may keep the apartment and have our house too. So I don't know. We may keep both for a while. Eventually, we'll leave this apartment. Uh, so the house is almost done. Everything is new inside, and new appliances, new bathroom, new toilets. The whole house has been completely renovated. New roof. And it's MetLife says the house replaced